How to create community group in WhatsApp business. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to create a community group in WhatsApp business easily. So what you can do is make sure you have downloaded and logged in with your account on your WhatsApp community. So once you successfully downloaded and logged in with your contact logged in credentials, so once you successfully downloaded and logged in with your details, login credentials, then what you need to do is simply click on this three dot icon at the top right corner, and from there you just have to click on community section, and from here you will be getting the option to create a new community group at the bottom. As you can see on my screen, you will see something like this, add group option at the bottom. Simply click on it, and then you will be redirected to this page where you can actually create a community for new or also create one existing one. So just click on community, create a community for a new one, and give the specific purpose name. If for example, if it's for business, give the business name just like this. And you can also change your photo from the gallery section, and just click on continue over here. And you can also add members in that particular group. And that is it guys. So that's exactly how you can easily create your community group in WhatsApp business application. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.